his words, he must be fired forthwith. He said Uebert response to the Al Jazeera story had nothing in it, and that makes his position untenable. There is nothing in the real story of what Uebert actually said in the Al Jazeera documentary or what he's claiming. Well, after the fact, in his decoy story that is in the public and national interest from Zimbabwe or Zimbabweans. Hence, his position is now untenable, unquote. Meanwhile, a group...
Welcome to the moment of truth. When we told you that he's been stripped off of his ambassadorial position, some people say no, they were arguing. They've taken that position, that decision the very day the Al Jazeera announced that they are going to post the video, because this has been going on for 2 years. One thing about people that serve Satan don't tell them when they will fall. Satan will make sure that they rise up high. Then when they reach the right top, then Satan will bring them down. Now, the Zimbabweans in UK, in America, they set up a petition against him. Go and search for it. They set up against him. 85% have already signed it for his asset to be frozen in the UK. If this happens within Africa, they can bury it. But this has to do with international connection. So it's not going anywhere. He has even divulged a lot of information that there's no way he can get out of this. I told you in the video I posted that his defense was so weak. He's so weak and insulting, even annoying. There's nothing he can say. He's going down and he will go to jail. And I will even post the video of Chris Oyakilome. He's not calling him a greedy man. That's life for you. Not calling him a greedy man. Because he was greedy. He's so proud. He's so proud. He's so out of touch. I've never seen a man like this in my life. And he calls himself a pastor. Stay tuned. I'm going to put Chris Oyakilome's video there. Once the petition is signed, it's going to be even more than... UK only need 100%. They only need 100,000 signatures. And within an hour, people have signed it, 85%. Within an hour, imagine.
Zimbabweans in the United Kingdom have copied the United Kingdom Home Office Department in a tweet asking the UK government to freeze the assets of Ambassador Uebert following the corruption documentary by Al Jazeera. A petition to be signed by 10,000 individuals, as at the time of filing this report was almost 85% signed for the assets of the Zimbabwean preacher to be frozen. They say, judging from the Al Jazeera documentary, they could not vouch if properties Uebert had acquired were genuine.
His properties are not genuine. UK now have not set up their own investigations. They want to know how he made all this money, where he get the money from, what he was selling, what he was into. This is the man that's calling everybody, boy, you are a boy, shut up, I'm richer than you. Even his son was even bragging, my father is a billionaire. But they are stealing. They are stealing money from poor people, from the country that trusted them. Imagine.
You want gold? Gold, we can do it right now. We can make the call right now, and it's done with the president of Miners Association right this minute.
The president of Zimbabwe's Miners Federation is Henrietta Rushweya.
They want to invest in gold and buy gold and maybe send a private jet, picks up gold every week.
That's perfect. No, that's okay. Let's do it, bro.
$5 million can be cleaned every week.
We get gold worth $5 million every week. We take it out, bring another $5 million.
The ambassador is not bothered that the cash is being laundered.
It's money that cannot be declared in the country of origin.
We've already discussed it that we don't want to talk about.
You just heard it. All the proofs are there. They got him red-handed. They've been watching him. They've been following him, and he did not know. Thief.